bad gal, you a bad gal. You a talk with a freaky thing, whoa. You a make it go and sticky like whoa. Me a bad man, gal, is you my routine, baby.
So what did she say?
Well, sir, to be honest, she got very defensive. She wants to know why she's under surveillance.
Tell her to choose her friends better.
The truth is in us, sir. We really don't have anything on her. Because all the surveillance show is she entering a yard at Top Hill.
Have we tried to ascertain whose yard?
Yes, sir. It's partially an abandoned building where nothing really happens. Wow. JPC at work.
So if it's an abandoned building, what's she doing in an abandoned building? She joined Food for the Poor? She feeding the homeless now?
I never go any further in, sir, because the fact that we don't have not much to go on, I just leave it alone.
I still find it a little disconcerting that she chose Top Hill to go floating around. Top Hill is the epicenter of all of this nonsense going on. Scamming, phone grabbing. You know who else up at Top Hill? Ratcliffe.
Maureen. Where you do up here?
When me I do up here, me come to you.
Oh, you know say up here somebody?
We really can't link her to any of the activities that we have going up at Top Hill, you know, sir. So, the most we can do is just continue to observe and just lay low. My trouble is keeping Toni-Ann away from it, because remember Toni-Ann the dance class up there, and if she see Toni-Ann up there, she'll go question it.
And to the best of your knowledge, Toni-Ann hasn't seen the footage of her up there, right?
No, you know, sir. And we alert the people in the IT department not to make her aware of it either.
This is very uncomfortable. And you know it's not going to be long before she starts probing. Remember, she's the one who called and asked that surveillance be put on her mother. So when she gets no reports, we either look highly inefficient or suspicious.
But sir, if there's nothing to report, there's just nothing to report. We have to keep it that way.
Of all the agents we have, you name me one that's faster than Toni-Ann.
You have a point, sir. And if our mother still a move suspicious, she a go want answers. And she a go want double up surveillance.
Over your father's house you stay. When left girl?
Left give me. Him not left nothing for me. Fight, me have to fight for that.
So wait. Rambo never left the house for you. So wait, the people that live in there?
You mean? I'm not going to come out of that with man forward. So I have to make them lift up.
So the chip never fly far from the block, eh? So you use badness and kick people out of house?
Maureen, where you come up here for? Or where you do come judge me?
You hear me? Listen to me. You say if you're involved in this phone grabbing business, you better tap. Cause police are look for you. Alright, Sean. Just know, say, me no more, me not try with you.
Try? Try with me? Maureen, when you ever try with me?
When me come for your school, after you thief the people them lunch money, I'm take out of school, me carry got me yard. You understand me? Me carry got me yard, and while me I look at a school for you, me get one little job for you, like a wholesale. What you do? What you do? You and the little boy them round in the area come together and rob the wholesale where you work. The same wholesale when we used to get little trust from.
Maureen, nah say, you never take me in and thing, but you never dead for me as a mother, Maureen. Every night you there at work and I'm me alone, by myself, you never dead for me.
Listen, me did have to work. How the bills are going to pay? How you going to yam?
So that's why you abandon me again. 15, 16, 17, 18, 4 years.
Don't blame me for the 10 years when I never see you. Your father take you away from me. You understand me? And I come back for you and you there with me for 1 year. And you shame me. Me now say it was a pretty situation. But me have to do what me have to do.
Well, me have to do what me have to do too.
Sean, you're a bright young boy. You understand me? Me I tell you, me I warn you, stop the phone grabbing thing. Me know you're involved in it. Stop it. Cause you see, if anything happen to you, me nah come at your funeral.
Yo, dog, what about?
Oi, you, talk again.
Yeah, oh shit.
Oh, are the accomplices, eh? And him yourself come rob my phone.
Maureen, I'm not involved in a phone thing, Maureen. Just go on and allow me, man. Go on.
Me, never forget a vice.